Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So in this video I will be sharing my recent nail haul from my favorite store, which is Whatsup Nails. So you might have heard about this store. They have outlets in US, Arizona, and they ship internationally. So this is for the very first time that I'll be using their products, and I'm just gonna show you the things which I got in the package. With, so here is one envelope, one hollow envelope, and I really know that I will be keeping this with myself. Like I will be keeping it safely in my safe or something, because it is hollow and I love hollow. So let's just open this envelope to see what we have in this envelope. So here's one card in which the Whatsup nail handle, like they are on the Whatsup Nails is on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest and Twitter. They have their pages on these platforms, social platforms. Then this is their site, whatsupnails.com, and this is their logo, and I'm really happy that they wrote my name. So this is really very special for me. Next thing which I had is on the back. This is printed stencils on matte vinyl. There are different ways are mentioned in which we can use the stencils as well as the stickers. So if you want, you can read them. You can just pause this video and read them. Next, there are different things which I got from them. This is the product which I really loved. Whatsup Nails WBD24 dance hash 24 detail brush. Now as you can see, their website is mentioned on this. So I'll just open this. This product really caught my eye because I haven't seen such a beautiful detailing brush, and it really looks amazing. Like, see, dance 24, it is mentioned on the brush, and it, like, if you will watch this, if you'll just look at this product, it will look like a sort of pencil, a mechanical pencil, or a pen, fountain pen. So what we have to do, see that the engraving is really beautiful. See the bling, the design. Isn't it beautiful? I really love this. So what you have to do, it will open from this side, right? And this is the whole brush. This is the point of the brush. See how beautiful it looks. I love the look of this brush, and I love the fact that this is so pointed. Also, just to let you know, it comes in the brush is packed like this, so even if you want, you can keep it so that the bristles of the brush are kept intact, and you can you can just I'll just close it first. See, it's easy to close. See how easy it is. So it's easy to use, and this can be clean. You can clean this with the help of your acetone remover or nail polish remover. Now the next thing which I got from their site was, see, hollow stickers. Aren't they beautiful? Gosh, I really love them. All the designs are really gorgeous. The next thing which I got is this yeah, this seahorse stencils. Isn't it beautiful? I have so many designs in my mind, and other things which I got from them are their stamping plates. So first of all, I would like to show the packaging of the stamping plate. Again, holographic packaging. I love holo, and see, it's looking so beautiful. I love their packaging. And on the back side, everything is mentioned, like how it has to be used and what has to be done. So I'll just take it out. So here's the stamping plate. I haven't removed the protective film, so it has, instead of blue film, there is a transparent film over this, so as to protect it from scratches. So this is my favorite part. Okay, so see the detailing of this plate. Whatsup Nails B057. It's really cute. All the stamping plates from Whatsup Nails are my favorite. The next one is Whatsup Nails A020. The next one is Whatsup Nails B037. Just look at the designs, like all the designs are really amazing. This one, this design, all the things are really beautiful. Their stamping plates are love. The last and final product is Whatsup Nails A019, which is a sea themed stamping plate. See how beautiful it is. So I will be sharing my creations using these amazing products on my channel as well as on my Instagram account. I really hope that you guys stay tuned for these, and do let me in the comment section below your favorite product among the products which I got from this amazing place. So I really love Whatsup Nails. I personally want to go to US because of the same reason. I don't want to go anywhere else. I just want to visit US, and in US I want to visit their store so that I can buy these amazing products directly from there without thinking about customs or anything. So there, just to be clear, I live in India, and in this package I haven't got any custom duty. I haven't paid any custom duty. Also, this package came pretty fast in these in the coronavirus time. It really came fast, and I just love the fact that everything was properly packed and intact, and all the products were really amazing, especially this note in which my name is mentioned. I will definitely keep it with myself because this is really cute and I really love it. Even the holographic packaging, I don't think I will be storing these plates somewhere else apart from storing them in their original holders, because yes, they are hollow. And there's one more thing that I would like to tell you. If you don't live in US, then you can buy these things online, like from their website. And their website also says that there is free shipping over the orders of $75. So you can buy something which exceeds $75 limit, and then you can get free shipping on your product as well. So please do let me know in the comment section below what you think about these products, and let me know your favorite products as well. And so please do let me know how did you like the things which I got in the nail mail, or is there anything else which you would have tried if you were buying from their website. So stay tuned and please share this video, subscribe to my channel for more. Okay, bye bye.